nag-meet kami ni Mison as classmates.
First year high school sa Guadalupe Catholic School.
Before second year, naging kami na.
Hindi ko akalain na nagiging kami nun kasi ako yung pinakamakulit nun sa classroom. Tapos siya yung Sergeant of Arms. Yung may chance na nagkatabi kami, yun, nagkausap kami, then yun, doon na nag-start. Puppy love.
Parang puppy love lang siya nung una. So lagi lang kami happy, lagi lang kami masaya, gano'n. Tapos lagi lang kami malabas, travel.
Si Abby kasi siya beautiful inside and out. So siya, yung heart niya is good.
Siguro na-appreciate ko sa characters niya yung sobrang masayahin siyang tao. Tsaka yung iniingatan niya lagi yung feelings ko na lagi lang ako masaya.
Hi, babe! So here's my gift, babe. I'm excited to complete our memory lanes para lagi tayong may babalikan when we grow old and gray. Love you, babe. See you later.
This is it after 18 years. Happy 18th anniversary, babe. I love you so much. As for my gift and as of today, you're all mine, ha ha ha. We're this in our honeymoon. Lagi mo sinasabi na gusto mo bumalik ng Korea. Let's go this December. See you later. Winter time, choose a date, and let's have fun. Love you. Oh!
Babe, from the time I met you, feeling ko ikaw na yung babaeng para sa akin. So by chance na naging magkalapit tayo sa upuan ng first year high school. At doon na din nag-umpisa ang lahat. No breakups until this day.
Habang tinitignan kita ngayon, nakikita ko yung Mison na 13 years old na nakilala ko. Grabe, it's been a long journey for us.
Oh, honey, body, what you doing Sunday? Maybe sipping the Coca-Cola with me, babe. Oh, yeah, honey, body. Honey, body, yeah. 'Cause everybody wants a honey body Sunday. Mama said it'll grow the trees, easy. My hands down on the ground. I'm begging you to please, honey, body.
Today you made me the happiest groom and I couldn't thank God enough.
You came into my life so early. But looking back, I know it was God's perfect time. Siguro kasi mas maaga natin kailangan yung isa't isa.
Ikakasal na si Abby! Ikakasal na si Abby! Live si Abby ngayon!
I love you, Nak! I love you.
Gastos! Magkamukha ba? Magkamukha?
Lapet.
Siya Arenola, ako takip.
Siguro first kong nasabi na realize kong parang alam ko na sa akin na siya lang. Na-OR kasi siya. I pray to God na sana wala siyang malalang sakit. Then, I pray na kahit bawasan yung buhay ko, ibigay sa buhay niya. Kung meron man siyang sakit, doon mo malalaman na mahal mo yung isang tao. Kapag kaya mo i-sacrifice yung buhay mo sa kanya.
Yun, speechless ako dun eh. Parang, yun, di siya nang iwan na support siya hanggang sa uli.
Then after 2 weeks, biglang nawala. So parang miracle siya sa amin.
Yun, yung start ako mag-isip na, propose na nga ako. Kasi parang miracle eh. Nakabahan na konti ah. Palakasin mo nga loob, Gawel.
God made sure it was the right time for the both of us. I'm always thankful and grateful to have you in my life. I can't tell what tomorrow may hold, but I can promise you'll never face it alone.
Finally, the long wait is over and it's all worth it. 18 years, we waited for God's perfect time for us. At ito na yung time na yun. Classmate ko noon, soulmate ko pala, at asawa ko na ngayon.
Whenever life takes us, good or bad, we'll make it beautiful.
Ikaw lang sapat na. Wala nang hahanapin pa.
Elmerson, you may now kiss your bride.
Till death do us apart. And even then, make sure ko hanapin kita sa next life ko.
You are my happiness, my soulmate, and the best that I have. I love you, babe. You know the rest.